Adjusting your fleet to your ever-changing business needs has never been easier. From adding and removing dry vans, reefers, flatbeds, chassis, or specialty equipment, Premier is here to supplement your owned trailer fleet whenever, wherever, and for however long you need. Our rental and leasing options allow you to flex your fleet around your industry's peaks and valleys, saving you time and reducing your business's financial exposure. With access to our nationwide locations, trailer tracking, cargo monitoring, and a team that truly cares, managing your trailers is a breeze. Our team of tenured trailer pros is a resource you can rely on, available to help spec the right trailer for your next job, train your new hires on trailers, and support you in optimizing your fleet mix. So when you land that exciting new project, your fleet is ready to go.